welcome back to my video. This is my friend Ate Sarah, and she is honest and kind because she's my BFF and cousin. And this is Rumi. This is my BFF cousin, and siya ay mabait. Start na tayo, bibig kami. Let's go. Ito yung panalo ko, tsaka to. Okay, buksan natin. Uy, bilisan mo. Tsaka to. Pamlalaki to. Oo nga. Nakunin to ni Ate Ray. Yung ano namin. Hindi cousin kasi, Masan yung gunting? Manasan yung gunting? Now, like and subscribe if you like bracelet in Philippines in 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's done. Let's go bracelet with this. Kunti lang. But I don't have bracelet. Wait, bracelet. Let's go. Oh, thank you. I need one. Oh. Where was the other one? And this is my bracelet, so beautiful. Eh, susunod ko ng ipagsunod yung bracelet ay necklace. Yeah. Me and my friend cousin, but I am the bracelet ever, but I'm 7 years old. But he's 7 years old too. But I am 8 years old. I'm getting older now. Oh yes. That's correct. Ouch. Oh, sorry. Bye-bye. Oh, see you tomorrow. See you in part 1. Here. Hey, wait lang. Wait. Ay, gagawa kami ng bracelet. Let's go. Bye, guys. Wait. But the minute is here. Okay, bye-bye. Bye. See you in part 1. Bye-bye.